Bitcoin money for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. BCH USD exchanges close $114.86 in an all things considered significant way. BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA in an exceptionally large way. The essentially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money is at $82,347,703, or so they for the most part thought. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some pressing issues. What especially is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Truly is BCH an especially wise interest in a really significant manner. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so forth in a kind of significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping profound into the BCH specialized examination, really let us basically discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $150,973,041,636 in an extremely enormous manner. The in every way that really matters. All-out exchanging volume stands at $33,001,951,281 additional appearance how BCH USD exchanges close $114.86, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they generally thought, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in a enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours. So various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span in an especially significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in a by and large enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly show that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for pretty present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, a truly broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense shows that BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA in a really significant way. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors basically become most certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers become considerably more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA in an unobtrusive way. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money execution in every practical sense. Current Bitcoin money cost certainly is $114.86, with an exchanging volume of $82,347,703 in the exact beyond 24 hours in a significant manner. Presently, BCH generally is somewhere near 1.22% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $2,228,805,148 USD, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin money value investigation BCH cost examination for the 29th of May 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period made sense of underneath, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index, moving truly normal intermingling and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving truly normal and remarkable moving exceptionally normal to in a real sense dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. Or so they truly thought. While BCH's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition, an exchange in every practical sense. Signal essentially is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how similarly obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers truly become move certainly dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So support by and large is a level at which purchasers especially become basically something else all things considered, dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA in a significant way. The kind of relative strength list shows that the BCH coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense is at 25, exhibiting how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period. Bitcoin money effectively breaks its most memorable opposition level of $114.47, especially further appearance how while BCH's Williams %R marker certainly is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign truly is by and large conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how similarly obstruction truly is a level at which vendors basically become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So support basically is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more extremely dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense shows that BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA in a truly significant way. Presently BCH basically has a practically the closest opposition of $119.28. So the really current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is at $82,347,703, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would help the upswing energy, which sort of shows that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers explicitly become substantially more certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly shows that BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA, or so they really thought. But purchasers could then focus on the exceptionally upper opposition set at $125.52, extremely further appearance how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, which truly is very critical. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that similarly opposition generally is a level at which vendors certainly become move in every practical sense dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So support explicitly is a level